we've made it to the summary of OSPF. So what do we talk about? Well, saw that big old presentation that we said everything about OSPF, right? It was a link state routing protocol. It has hello and dead timers. It there's no limitations, right? You can have, because it's based on areas. You have from 0 to 4.2 billion areas. You have the process ID number, which is for a local database. Okay. When there is no default summarization, so we use wildcard mask plus the area that we're using. Okay. And we did a multi-area OSPF as well. We did configured both. All right. We also did OSPF authentication. We rounded it off with that. Very simple to do. But there's a lot to OSPF, okay, when you are configuring, especially when we do the DR and BDR. We saw 3 examples of that. All right. But OSPF definitely, since you can do multiple areas, you can do, single area if you want, as big as you want. Not recommended to do that. But hey, you know what I mean? It all depends on what you want to do. Area 0 is the backbone area. We saw some of the abbreviations like link state database, link state updates, link state advertisements, right? The DR, designated router, backup designated routers, all right? All that, all right? There's a lot to OSPF. So go through these lectures nice and easy to understand the commands, understand what's going on, especially when creating the neighbor relationship, when we have to have the same subnet, your hellos need to be the same, okay? You need to be in the same area. Neighbor relationships, neighbors, okay? Meaning the interfaces. Because when we're doing the network, we're actually telling, hey, this is the interface that's going to be part of this area. So if we have a router like an ABR, an area border router, that's it. Its interfaces are in 2 different areas. But you see that one of the interfaces is facing another interface that's part of that area, and this interface over here is part of this area. So your interfaces that face whichever router need to be in the same area, same subnet, same hellos. All right, there is no K values in OSPF, but that information is there for you to peruse at your own leisure. And I will be updating some more terminology that will help you also understand what's going on. All right, so that's OSPF in a nutshell. We went through the most important parts of OSPF. I will see you in the next one.